I'm the Vice President of Construction Services at Ledcor. My role is to lead the implementation of the InEight PMIS solution. I think the biggest challenge for us is the diversity of the business. We call ourselves Canada's most diversified construction company, and for good reason, because we do many different things and we are applying one technology over many different types of construction. So it causes us some challenges, to make that happen. Everybody has their own industry-specific needs, and we're responding to those needs without getting too responsive, so that we have different programs in each different division. We're driving for consistency, but we have to be cognizant that we need to be sustainable. So we don't want to have 3 different software solutions for 3 different divisions. The challenges we've had historically with spreadsheets and all sorts of side tools and databases and things that people would do on their own is that it's just no consistency. We've adopted all the InEight terminology so that we're consistent across the board. That has a big impact on our business, because now we're saying, if I say apples and it means apples, it's not apples and oranges and different comparisons that we often end up with. Consistency and sustainability, those two are absolutely 100% in my mind is what it helps us with, and that has always been our classic struggle in project controls, is just not consistent, not sustainable, because everything was spreadsheets and things that are very individual and not representative, not consistent across the whole company. InEight definitely delivers us that. It's very consistent.